Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rasinah binti Rizadi and I'm representing my group, which is Group 5, in this topic of discussion, which is communication and decision making. What is communication? Communication is simply the act of transferring information from one place or one person or group to another. There is few types of communication. One of them is interpersonal communication. Interpersonal communication process is a process that made up from 7 elements, which is sender, encoding, message, channel, receiver, decoding, and also feedback. As an example is a communication between a father and son through a phone cell or whether by using the WhatsApp. There is few barriers to achieve effective interpersonal communication. One of them is lack of attention, interest, distraction, and also irrelevance of receiver. The second is the topic or issue that being discussed is too broad. So how we want to overcome this barrier to achieve the effective? The first one is by using the simple word to convey the message. The second one is improving the listening skills. Listen more than you speak. What is the organizational of communication? It is a broad field that encompasses all forms of communications that allow organizations such as companies, government agencies, and non-profits to function, grow, connect with stakeholders, and contribute to society. So how the communication flows and networks? There is few types of communication flow. The first one is upward. Upward is when the managers or supervisors rely on their subordinates to receiving information. The second one is downward. Downward is often used to inform, direct, coordinate, and evaluate the employees. The third one is horizontal communication. Horizontal communication is an exchanging of information across departments at the same level in the organization, while diagonal communication is cross-functional communication between employees at different levels of the organization. There are 8 steps to make a decision making. The first step is identification and definition of the problems. The second step is identification of decision criteria. The third step, allocation of weight to criteria. The fourth step, development of alternative. The fifth step is analysis of alternative. Sixth step is selection of alternative. The seventh step is implementation of an alternative, and the last step is evaluation of the decision's effectiveness. So there is trends in communication and also decision making. The first one is maintaining a solid business reputation. It is public comments and observations, both positive and negative side, can be captured and shared in a real time. The second type is integrated marketing communication. It is remain consistent in messaging across all communications channels. So since the COVID-19 crisis attack, communication is a key factor in preparing employees for lockdowns and reopenings. Important information such as hygiene measures or guidelines following the standard operation procedure is really important. So I think that's all from me. Thank you.